if you think you know what happened and how to solve it. Okay, now who would like to answer? Raise your hand. Okay.
I think y is 17. It'd be,
Okay, keep going. I'm just thinking, want to hear your thought.
okay, so I think y is 17, and then it would be 14 over, no, x over 14.
X over 14.
Yeah, on the other side.
You should. All right. So what happened to the y? Tell me what to write. 17 over 3 equals what? What would you write? What do you think that is?
17 over 3 equals x over 14.
X over 14. All right. Don't write this down. So let me ask you something. What happened to y?
Is replaced by the 17.
But y is in the denominator here. Okay, so why do you think y is 14?
Wait, what?
Why do you think y is 14? Or did you think
Y is
I thought
7.
y was 17.
why do you think y is 17?
Because it went with the 3.
So y goes with the 3.
It made sense in my head, but now.
Okay, alright, so you're just trying to manipulate. That's fine. Guessing and checking is fine, and then trying to come up with the reason. Justin.
You add the denominator to the numerator.
So how'd you get 17? You added what?
Denominator to the numerator.
The denominator and the numerator together. So top and bottom gives me 17. And the denominator stayed the same. So what we're saying is you add the top and the bottom together, and the denominator stays the same. That's a little more complicated. Okay? So a little inductive reasoning. Doesn't get much more complicated than that. All right. Over here on example 12, here is a given proportion, and you're supposed to find ZV. So tell me what you think you should do to begin this problem. How would you start to solve this?
I would use a Pythagorean theorem to find x, y.
Okay, that's not a right triangle though. It looks like a right triangle, but it's not a right triangle. That's not a bad idea, actually. If there's no symbol there, then you don't assume that it's a right triangle. That's actually a pretty good idea. Don't you think we should substitute the numbers into the givens? If whatever we do know? Do we know XW?
Yes.
What is it? Well, what's XV? 17.
Wait.
12 is to the whole. Okay, 17. Do we know YW? What is it? 24. Thank you. And do we know ZV? No. Can we solve and get ZV at this point?
Yes.
How do we do that? Everybody cross multiply. I'll do this one. What's 17 times 24?
400.
That's a lot of numbers.
400.
Divided by 12. Thank you.
Wait, was it just a coincidence that 12 times 2 is 24?
Thank you. Thank you. It's not a coincidence. Because of what we did over there, you can say 12 is to 24 as 17 is to something. Just like when you went 1/2 to 2/4, we multiplied by the same number. If you can see that we're multiplying by 2, then you can multiply by 2 down there. For the same reason that I told you that 1/2 equals 4/8. We can multiply by 4, we can multiply by 4. That's why they're equal. Yes?
So it's going to be like that on every problem.
If they are proportional, yes. But they may not be a whole number that you're multiplying by. So you may have to cross multiply. Okay, but if you can look at that and say, oh, I just multiply that by 2, then you can do the same thing with the bottom. Okay? Excellent. Any questions? Pretty simple. Yes?
Like, this is slightly off topic-ish.
Yep.
With the ZV, like, wouldn't that look like two variables together instead of just one? Like, if you use ZV as your variable?
Oh, instead, like, you just
Just
putting
like-
something there like an X?
Yeah.
Yeah. But you should understand that ZV is a
Yeah.
distance of, okay.
Well, yeah, but, I don't know. It's when we're looking, never mind.
Okay, alright. Your homework? Page 367, 317, 23, 29, mixed review odds. Good.